Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some partly cloudy, mostly sunny skies out there this morning. Should see some increase of cloud cover as we move in the afternoon, evening hours, and even a chance of rain showers once we move into the mid to late evening hours today. And we'll continue with those rain showers and drizzle for the overnight time period tonight. Looking at our conditions the last 24 hours across the Mid-Atlantic region, could compare these temperatures to early spring, but it is early February, well above normal, anywhere from about 20 to 25 degrees above normal. Richmond, a warm spot at 75 degrees yesterday. Here at Wallops, we were 71 degrees, just shy of a record that was 72 degrees. Salisbury at 69. Other locations seeing temperatures in the lower 70s into the upper 60s, so very warm and unseasonably warm for this time of year. Seeing temperatures cool down slightly yesterday as a backdoor cold front moved through last night. Baltimore was a cool spot at 36. Here at Wallops, we were 45 degrees. Those temperatures are still about 10 degrees above normal. No precipitation across the region the last 24 hours. As of 9 a.m., we are seeing anywhere from mostly cloudy to mostly sunny skies, mostly cloudy conditions across the north and western portions of the Mid-Atlantic region. Here at Wallops, we are 48 degrees under mostly sunny skies. Looking at our sounding from this morning, our freezing level is at 8,300 feet. Our winds are out of the easterly direction at 13 knots in the low levels and becoming more westerly to northwesterly. Throughout the column, we'll see our winds increase up to 44 knots at 25,000 feet. Looking at our 12Z surface analysis, we have a backdoor cold front that's moved through the region, giving us more of a northeasterly to easterly component to our winds. Have a complex area of low pressure as well as frontal boundary across the Ohio Valley into the Midwest and even into the southern plain states. That's going to be providing those areas with some unsettled conditions today and into tomorrow. We'll see some rain showers starting to spew over and spill into our region as we move into the overnight time period as a backdoor cold front becomes a stationary boundary and then becomes a warm front as it will remain over the area and move back and forth across the Delmarva Peninsula for the next few days. Looking at our Wednesday PM planner, you can see this boundary across our region giving us just some cloudy conditions as more cloud cover moves over the area from the west. See the rainfall remaining mostly off to the north of the region for our Wednesday PM planner. Then tonight we'll see a weak disturbance moving overhead, as well as this frontal boundary across the region will give us more low clouds and especially a chance of a drizzle and some rain showers during the evening hours, and then we'll just see a chance of lingering rain showers during the overnight time period. And to our Tuesday AM planner, you can see this frontal boundary is kind of moving back and forth across the Delmarva Peninsula, and this will provide us with low cloudiness, a chance of some drizzle, as well as some cooler conditions is what we compared to today and yesterday especially. And then for our Thursday PM planner, you can see this frontal boundary shown here as a warm front, really just a stationary boundary meandering back and forth across the area. Will be south of the region, and that'll provide us with temperatures cooler than was expected for tomorrow a few days ago, but overall above average for this time of year. And looking for our Friday PM planner, we'll have a cold front quickly moving through the area for our Friday afternoon into the evening hours. And that'll allow for Friday to be an unseasonably mild day before that cold air affects in the region for our Friday night into Saturday, giving us a more seasonable and cooler weekend. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have a green chart in regards to precipitation for the daytime hours today, as well as no chances of lightning in the next 24 hours and winds well under 25 knots. Let's see our high today around 56 degrees, easterly to southeasterly winds for the afternoon hours, increasing out of the south during the evening hours into late evening hours at 9 to 14 knots, gusting up to 18 knots, and then during the overnight time period we'll see a south to south-southwesterly wind, then turning northeasterly for tomorrow morning during a time period. Looking at our temperatures for the overnight time period, we should see temperatures around 50 degrees during the evening and then rising into the mid-50s by our Thursday morning. We'll also have a chance of the rain showers and drizzle for the evening and overnight time period. And these northeasterly winds should read southwesterly. There's a typo there. Should be southwesterly and continue about 8 to 13 knots during the Thursday morning hours. For our 24-hour terminal forecast, we have VFR conditions today, and then ceilings lower tonight as that frontal boundary as well as upper level disturbance moves over the Wallops region with a chance of some rain showers. After 2200 local looks like our best chance of rain showers until 3 local on Thursday, and then we'll continue with slight chances of rain showers and chances of patchy fog and drizzle across the region. Our tides are normal, and looking to Thursday and Friday, Thursday is cloudy with abundant low cloudiness and patchy fog, a chance of patchy drizzle, unseasonably mild with a high of 61 degrees, yellow for precipitation, orange for ceilings, as we'll have that low cloud and patchy fog in the region. Thursday night is cloudy with abundant low cloudiness and a slight chance of patchy fog and drizzle early. Then we should see decreasing cloudiness overnight, an early low of 47 degrees with temperatures rising into the upper 50s overnight. And for Friday, we'll see mostly cloudy skies, a slight chance of an afternoon rain shower, and breezy by the evening hours. We'll see a high of 68 degrees, and we'll have a yellow for precipitation on Thursday night as well as ceilings, and we'll see a yellow for our winds on Friday. Looking at the next 7 days, we'll have unseasonably mild conditions and warm conditions across the region from Wednesday through Friday. Temperatures today in the mid-50s. Lower 60s on Thursday, and then Friday seeing the upper 60s. We'll see some drizzle across the region Thursday morning with just cloudy skies for the afternoon hours. Could see a break or two in the late afternoon hours, but most likely we'll just continue to see that low-level cloud cover across the region. Then we'll have that cold front move through for Friday afternoon, a slight chance of a shower Friday afternoon. Most likely that will not occur across the Wallops region. Best chance looks like it'll be across the northern portions of the Delmarva Peninsula for any showers. And then Saturday and Sunday we'll have high pressure of Canadian origin moving into the region, giving us temperatures in the lower to mid-40s. Then we'll have a system moving towards the region for early next week. Models are really having a difficult time showing when the precipitation will come in as well as what form the precipitation will be in. Looks like we should stay all rain at this time, as the air mass should modify enough to provide us with just some temperatures in the 40s to lower 50s on Monday and Tuesday with chances of rain showers across the region. That'll conclude the 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. We're back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.